Have you ever looked at a rusted, discarded car or an old appliance and wondered what becomes of it? Imagine the scrap metal lying, forgotten in yards, only to be transformed into the steel that builds skyscrapers, bridges, and machines we rely on every day. Today, on Process Explained, we're diving into the mesmerizing journey where scrap metal is reborn into strong steel products. A story of fire, ingenuity, and incredible transformation that you don't want to miss. Stick around, because by the end, you'll never look at a pile of scrap the same way again. And hey, if you love uncovering the secrets behind the processes that shape our world, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a deep dive. It all begins at scrap yards, the unsung starting point of this remarkable journey. Tons of discarded iron and steel pieces arrive here from old cars, leftover construction materials, worn out machines, and even appliances from our homes. These metals may look useless, but they're full of potential. Before they can be melted, the scrap is carefully sorted, separating steel from non-ferrous metals, thick pieces from thin sheets, and cleaner materials from rusted ones. Magnets, shredders, and machines all play a role, ensuring the scrap melts efficiently and produces top-quality steel while saving energy. Once prepared, the scrap enters the furnace, a place of intense heat and transformation. In an electric arc furnace, massive graphite electrodes create an electric arc that can reach temperatures above 1,500 degrees Celsius. This incredible heat melts the scrap into a glowing, molten pool. But raw molten metal is only part of the story. Engineers refine it, removing impurities like excess carbon, sulfur, and gases, and adjusting alloy elements to create steel that is strong, ductile, and versatile. Skimming away the layer of slag ensures that every drop of steel is flawless and ready for shaping. The molten steel is then poured into molds in a process called continuous casting, where it solidifies into long billets, rectangular bars that are the raw form of future products. These billets are reheated and sent through massive rolling mills, where they're transformed into structural shapes like angle iron. This L-shaped steel is essential for buildings, machinery, and infrastructure worldwide. Every beam, every rod carries the mark of precision engineering and quality control, with tests ensuring chemical composition, temperature, and mechanical strength meet exact standards. The magic doesn't end there. Recycling steel conserves energy, reduces emissions, and prevents waste from filling our landfills. The scrap that once seemed useless is now the backbone of our modern world. So the next time you see a bridge or a towering skyscraper, remember that it all started with what many people saw as trash, now turned into strength and structure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the hidden world of steelmaking and want more fascinating processes explained in detail, don't forget to subscribe to Process Explained and hit the notification bell, because the world around us is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered.